Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to make this gorgeous sunburst granny square, perfect for blankets, cushion, bags and much more. It's colorful, it's fun, and once you get the hang of it, it works up really quick. So grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. Here I'm using a red and peach yarn, cotton yarn. Crochet hook is 4.0 mm and a pair of scissors. So let's start it. So first we will make a magic ring. For magic, using this peach yarn, hold the tail with your thumb and ring finger. Then make a cross like this. After making a cross, insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around, chain one. So this is our magic ring. After magic ring, we will do chain 3. For chain 3, yarn over, loop, this is our chain 1, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 3. So this chain 3 plus this chain 1 will be count as our first double crochet. Now we will work 15 double crochet into this string. For double crochet, yarn over. Now insert your hook into this ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. This will be count as our second double crochet. First double crochet, second double crochet. We will work till 15 these double crochets, including this will be 16. Our 16 double crochet are complete. You can count this from here, also you can count from this side. So we will count this as our first double crochet, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So after 16 double crochet, we will close this ring, pull this tail tighter. Now where we did our chain 3 to our very first V, insert your hook, pull up a loop to close this string, pull through this loop to make a slip stitch. After slip stitch, chain 1, then cut this off. So our first round with 16 double crochet is complete. So after our first round, we'll use red color for our second round. For second round, first we will make a slip knot. For slip knot, hold this end, then make a circle like this. Then insert your thumb and index finger, make a cross like this. Now this end, make a loop. So this is our slip knot. Make it tight. Now in any of these stitches right here, we'll insert our hook, then pull the loop out, make the end tight. Now we will work this loop with chain 3, chain 1 2 and 3. Now into the same gap we will work 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook while securing the end, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. This chain 3 will be count as our first double crochet. This is our second double crochet. Now this each of these gaps we will work 2 double crochets. In total you should have 32 double crochets. Okay, so let's do our last two double crochets, 31 and 32. After our 32 double crochets, where we did our chain 3, insert your hook into the third chain, pull up a loop, make a slip knot, chain 1, then cut this off. Keep tight, give it a proper shape. So this is our round 2. Now we will work on our round 3. For round 3, again we will do our slip knot, insert your hook, then in any of these stitches insert your hook, loop, make it tight. Now we will work chain 2, 1 and 2, chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook into this same gap, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. And yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. In total you should have 9 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 loops, insert your pull up a loop, pull through all these 9 loops, then chain 1. So this is our puff stitch. For the next puff stitch, we will skip one gap to the next one. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop 4 times, 2, 3 and 4. Then pull through all these loops, chain 1. Again, skip one gap to the next, yarn over, pull up a loop 4 times. That pull through all these loops and then chain 1. Like this, complete this round. Let's do our last puff stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull up a loop 4 times. Pull through all these loops. Then chain 1. After chain 1, where we did our chain 2, right here, insert your hook. Work 1 slip stitch, chain 1, cut this off, and our third row is complete. Give it a good shape. Now we will work on our square. So again, I'm using the red yarn. We will make a slip knot. Then insert your hook in any of these puff stitches. Pull up a loop, secure the end, and now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After chain 4, we will work 2 treble crochet into this chain gap, into this stitch. For treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into this gap, secure the end, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, then pull through last 2. This chain 4 will be count as our first treble crochet. This is our second treble crochet. Let's do our third treble crochet. After 3 treble crochet, we will work 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 3 treble crochet, yarn over, set your hook, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Like this, we will work on 3 double crochet. After 3 double crochet, we will work 3 half double crochet. Set your hook, 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3. Yarn over, set your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3. Like this, we will work on our 3 half double crochet. So this is the one corner of our granny square. Now we will work on 3 double crochet. Yarn over, set your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So now we have 3 double crochets. For our next corner, we will work 3 treble crochets. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Second treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Third treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Here we will make our second corner. For corner, we will work chain 2. 1 and 2. After chain 2, in the same gap, we will work 3 treble crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Second treble crochet, now third treble crochet. This will be the corner of our granny square. Now let's work on our 3 double crochet into the next stitch. Then 3 double crochet. Now 3 half double crochets. Again 3 double crochets. And 3 treble crochet. After 3 treble crochet, chain 2, work 3 treble crochet into the same gap. This is our third corner. Like this, complete till the end. After 3 treble crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 half double, 3 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet. Like this, complete till the end. Now let's work on our last treble crochet where we did our first 3 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, set your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Our second treble crochet, and our third and last treble crochet. After 3 treble crochet, we will do chain 2 to make a corner where we did our chain 4. Insert your hook, work 1 slip stitch, chain 1 and cut this off. Now we will make one more row of single crochet to create the boundary. for slip knot. Make a loop like this, cross, pull it out, insert your hook, make it tight, and then we will work in these stitches, these gaps. Insert your hook, any of the stitch, pull the slip knot, secure the end, and we'll work one chain. After one chain, we'll work in single crochet in each of the stitches. Insert your hook, you have 2 loops on your hook, pull through 2. This will make a clean and clear edges to our granny square. In the corners, we will work 2 single crochets. After this, insert your hook, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Then into the next stitch, we will work our 1 single crochet, like this, complete till the end. Now let's work on our last single crochet. Now where we did our chain 1, insert your hook into this V, then work 1 slip stitch, chain 1, cut this off, so our classic sunburst granny square is ready. So this is the tutorial of our sunburst granny square. If you like the tutorial, please follow and subscribe for more. Bye bye.